Today's race isn't just fast, it's insane. On one side, the Koenigsegg Jesko, a 1,600 horsepower hypercar that can cross 300 miles per hour. And on the other, a tuned Suzuki Hayabusa, a superbike modified to launch like a missile. It's a battle of four wheels versus two, power versus agility, and only one will cross the line first. And the race begins. Both machines launch off the line, but the Hayabusa takes the lead instantly. With its lightweight body and tuned turbo setup, it rockets forward like a missile. And guess what? The Suzuki Hayabusa completes the quarter mile in just 9.8 seconds. The Koenigsegg Jesko follows close behind, finishing at 9.9 seconds. Just a 0.1 second difference, but enough for the Hayabusa to claim victory in this drag battle. If you enjoyed this race, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more thrilling matchups. And full credit for this amazing drag race goes to CarWow YouTube channel. Go check them out for the full video.